Hi everyone, it's Derek from At the Edge of the Woods, and in this week's video we just want to showcase some of the work we've been putting in our lower yard. It's been a while since we've updated with what we've been working on down here, and we've made a lot of progress over the last couple months. So in this video we're just kind of trimming, cutting, burning, wood chipping, and clearing space in our property down below. And then towards the end of the video, there's a little bit of a kind of walkthrough of what's been cleared out. There has been a lot of work done in the last couple months, and hopefully we'll get another video uploaded soon that'll kind of show a side by side. But as it goes for now, we have done a lot of work, and we've got this little wood chipper to help us kind of clear space and use the branches as wood chips. And then we do end up creating a fire pit so that we can burn a lot too. We run into a lot of blackberries, and then there's a lot of huckleberry and just other dead wood. So a combination of burning and using the wood chipper has been successful for us. So I hope you enjoy this video, and more to come soon. Thanks a lot. our corner at the edge of the woods. Thanks for watching. If you like this visit, please like, subscribe, and consider leaving a comment. Even planting a little tree in the comments helps our forest keep growing.